So if you don't know by now, little TLDR for you, and St. Louis round 2, Moto 2 starts second or third corner, whatever it is. Levi Kitchen, straight across 4 ruts, takes out Haiden Deegan. Takes himself out, kind of ruins both the races. I think Kitchen finished, 12th? Deegan finished 14th without a front brake lever. What a ride that is. And kind of just stupid. If you're, what was it? The number one rule, if you take somebody out, you can't take yourself out too, because it's just dumb. And this is beginning of the race, screws both races, or for races for both people, because you end up just behind so many people at the very start. And, kind of, you have to look at this, whether it's beef or whatever. But you can see right here, just right across 3 ruts, right into the side of him, pure takeout. Whether it's, like I said, beef from earlier in the season, payback for Deegan for something, or it's just, I don't like him, I'm taking him out. Well, on his Instagram today, Levi Kitchen says, quote, "Wild night of racing in St. Louis. Was happy to be healthy after the start crash in practice, just pretty sore. As far as the incident in Moto 2, there's a lot of money on the line. Had I stayed up and got on the podium, I'd be back in this thing with an opportunity to make great money in Vegas. Love me or hate me, I'm racing for myself and myself only. Thanks to the people who support me. See you in Vegas." So basically just full on admitting, I'm going to try and take out the guy leading the championship, because if I ended up staying up and got a podium, I'd have a chance in Vegas to win money. It's ifs and buts, man. Like, you have to do this to get this, to hope that this happens, to hope that something happens in the next round. To me, this is just, it's stupid. And I'm all for rough racing. If you are 1 and 2 in a title fight in a championship, you have to know that if you leave the door open, you are going to be taken out. Or you should have the knowledge that the guy behind you, if he's in the fight with you, might do it. As of right now, at least, Kitchen is 6th in the overall fight for this title. He's out of it. And he was out of it in this race too. Like he said, if I did this and if I got that, I would be back in it. That's just to me dumb. And this is hilarious. One, I don't like the whole playoff thing. I don't like the fact that they changed it this year with double and triple points. It's just stupidity to me. I think if you have a racing season, you race the whole season, whoever has the most points at the end should win. And sure, you have a 3-race playoff for something else, a bonus or whatever. But the fact that there's double and triple points now, to me, it's just kind of dumb. It's kind of like the whole NASCAR stage racing and playoff, whatever. We're not going to get into that. But the fact that he posted on Instagram basically straight up coming out here and saying, yeah, I did it because money, and I know he's in front of me. I guess that's what every block pass is in general, but I don't know. To me, this is dumb. If you're not in a title fight, you shouldn't be taking out people in the title fight and changing the overall scheme of it. But I don't know. You tell me, comments down below. What do you think of the pass? Are you excited for Vegas now that, there's an actual championship on with a pretty close point race? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.